Pretty unbelievable, huh? Now, it's one thing to watch a team like that perform from down here, but trust me when I tell you this, folks, it's another thing entirely to watch a team like that perform from up there. These teams all have recruitment and public relations as part of their mission. Many of them make media rides available to a few lucky reporters. Did I say lucky?
What I'm going to be telling you is just a lot of info, but every tech on the team that'll be strapping in, they know exactly what I mean. Okay, parachutes. This thing will actually be sitting in the aircraft like this when you go to get in. Simply what you'll be doing is sitting into this chute like so. Hooking your shoulders in there. You come to these, what we say is rough edge together. This is what we mean. This is the rough edge of the connectors. Both together, down through the loop, rough spacing out, like so. And clicking. Once you're in, you lock it. One of the most important things you're gonna have to know, just in case you get a little bit air sick, okay, is the receivers on the helmet here. You simply push down here, and it opens your face up, okay? That way, you get air sick, just simply fill the bag, okay? And to put it back in, just simply put this in. Okay, so what you want to do is put the mask on, put these receivers in, and just torque it up a little bit, just so it's not bleeding into your eyes.
To the flight line now for the moment of truth.
You can join us here. Hey, that's not half bad.
Are we going to have some fun up here?
I will. I'm sure you will too.
You promise that I will have fun?
It's up to you.
Why did he hesitate? I don't know. Just before my once-in-a-lifetime ride with Canada's fabled Snowbirds, let's take a close-up look at my jet-powered Chariot.
The aircraft you're looking at today is a CT-114 Tudor aircraft, built and designed by Canadair up in Canada. There's a primary trainer that we use for training our Canadian Forces pilots. Of course, we also use it for the Snowbirds, 431 Air Demonstration Squadron. The aircraft lends itself very well for the maneuverability, close informations that we do. Starting off with the nose of the aircraft, we have our nose light. Inside the nose here is our electronics bay, where we keep all the radios, the navigational aids, all the equipment that we require to get around North America and around the world. Further along, we have our intakes for our engines. We have intake on either side, but we have the one engine, the J85 CAN 40 engine. Here you can see our smoke tanks. We have our smoke generating oil that we have in here. Air pressure will force the fluid up the pipelines to the valves in the back of the aircraft. These are the smoke tubes I mentioned earlier from the smoke tanks. They get pressurized, gets pushed up these pipes here. The valves inside of here will open or close to allow the fluid to escape. Comes out of here in a spray mist, caught by the hot exhaust, and make your smoke trail for you. With these aircraft here, with these solid wings, we can pull -3 Gs to +7 Gs. All the flight controls on this aircraft here are controlled direct, so it's a tube and pulley system. There's no hydraulic assist on the flight controls.
Well, that's my ride. When we come back, I go snowbirding. Later, the fabulous U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds Golden Anniversary performance. Don't miss it. Well, there's no turning back now. I'm really going flying with one of the best precision jet teams ever assembled, the spectacular Canadian Snowbirds. in all seriousness, what was that flight really like? Well, to be quite honest with you, I almost backed out the night before. I was that nervous. But by the next morning, I was really looking forward to it. When I finally climbed into the cockpit, I was amazed at just how relaxed I was because I was sitting next to a consummate professional, and I knew that. Was it comfortable? No, it wasn't. Was it supposed to be? No. Did I get sick? No, I didn't, for the record, okay? But I must tell you, I had a tremendous sinus headache after I climbed out of the plane because we were pulling 4 Gs in that final maneuver. Would I do it again? Yeah, in a heartbeat, I would. Do I have a newfound respect for these pilots? Absolutely. Would I recommend it? Yes. If you ever get a chance, do it. From north to south, it's a Pan-American celebration.